Hello, amazing chemistry students at ISB. I was really touched by the messages you kindly shared with me after my talk. Thank you for taking the time to put together such thoughtful and well-articulated messages. They all mean a lot to me. I read every message a few times, and I was really happy to see each one of you walked away with at least one thing that you found inspiring, interesting, and useful, and you really enjoyed the talk. That's fantastic. I do have a confession to make though. Being a scientist, I couldn't help analyze your messages using my word cloud software pipeline. And I want to share the result with you, which really speaks for itself.
The rigorous scientific analysis I managed to carry out over the weekend indicates the word share stands out in your feedback. And we have ISB as well as Ms. Wider to thank for this, for enabling me to talk to you and meet you all. So thank you, Ms. Wider, and thank you, ISB, for making this happen. So in your feedback, other keywords also stand out. For example, you enjoyed the fact that I was talking about a life story and a journey of creation and of passion, and you found all of those very interesting. This is an amazing outcome that truly made my day. So thank you so much for being there and for listening to my talk.
In the context of my talk topic, Points to Purpose, we have collectively created another excellent example of how this principle works. Before my talk, I wanted to share my career journey and project to inspire, entertain, and to show possibilities to you all. With your questions, your interest, your engagement, and your excellent feedback, this objective is now being achieved. So, thanks to you all. And thank you for motivating and inspiring me to continue sharing and passing on my knowledge and experience. You made all of this worthwhile, and I hope to speak to you again soon. Take care and stay safe.